Camp Griddle more, like so many of you out there, my wife and I are super busy people. We've got 3 kids at home, they're all in sports, they're all in activities, and we don't get a lot of quiet date nights at home. But Valentine's Day is around the corner, so we are going to have a special meal together, and we're sending the kids over to Grandma's house. So on this week's episode, we are going to make my date night chicken Caesar with pasta. It's so delicious, it's so easy. Anybody can make it. So let's get camping and let's get cooking and let's get ready for Valentine's Day. Since this is a date night dinner, we need to go above and beyond. So I grabbed a nice bottle of wine that my wife really loves. We're gonna make sure that the fire is lit, and we're gonna go through the record collection and try and pick out the perfect record that's really gonna set the mood for a nice date night dinner. And as soon as Stephanie comes home, we will drop the needle and get that music playing while we eat together. Let's get started by prepping our chicken. We're gonna wanna make sure that we pat this dry, and we're gonna use a nice high heat olive oil that I've been loving lately, and we're gonna use a combination of the Blackstone Tuscan herb and the Parmesan ranch. When you combine those 2 seasonings, it is absolute magic. It's gonna be perfect for our chicken. Now let's put our chicken aside and get our water boiling for our pasta, and we're gonna use spaghetti, and let's get our griddle on to about 325 or 350 degrees. Let's also get our pasta sauce simmering. Just make sure you have it on really low heat at this point. For our Caesar salad, we are definitely going to use romaine. That is a must for me. We're gonna slice it up into thin ribbons. Let's also slice our grape tomatoes while we're here at the cutting board. I actually prefer cherry tomatoes, but I didn't really see that many of them at the grocery store, so I'm going with the grape tomatoes today. Either is fine. And let's also slice up some lemons, and that is definitely gonna be one of the secret ingredients here, giving the Caesar salad a really nice, generous squirt of lemon. Now let's get our romaine into a bowl and add some creamy Caesar, and I have been told in the past by my dear wife that I sometimes add too much dressing, so today we'll go kind of modest with it, but then let's really shake it up and give it a really nice toss. All right, our water is actually boiling now, and our griddle has reached 350 degrees, so let's get our spaghetti into our boiling water, and let's get our chicken on the Blackstone E-Series griddle. Let's get our romaine onto a plate here, and actually we are going to use a plate, which might seem like an odd move, but you'll see why in a second. Let's get some fresh cracked pepper on that, and that is a must for me, an absolute must. Then we're gonna give that nice squeeze of lemon, and now we're going to make a nice, cute, romantic heart with our tomatoes, all right? And this is the part I'm worried about. I wanna make a nice little heart that looks kind of cute. How are we looking here, Sean? Does this look like a real heart?
It looks a little off. I don't know why, but it looks a little off.
It doesn't, it's not perfect. I mean, maybe if I pinch in the sides a little bit, like it's too round at the bottom, I think. All right, I think it's kind of coming together. It's the effort that counts for Valentine's Day. Starting to look good here, but we need to make it rain with Parmesan cheese. Our thin cut chicken cutlets are ready to be flipped, and we've got that nice crusty golden edge. Those 2 seasonings combine so perfectly, and our pasta is also done. So let's get the spaghetti into a bowl, add our 4 cheese pasta sauce, and we are almost ready to eat. But first, let's add a fine dusting of that Tuscan herb seasoning on top of our pasta. Then let's slice our chicken and gently slide that on top of our pasta bowl. And let's make it rain one more time with a generous amount of that Parmesan cheese. All right, I think this came together very nicely. We had to tinker with our heart a little bit to make it look super cute. And I think we've got it pretty good. I'm gonna dive in and just take a little taste of the salad and the chicken and the pasta. And Sean, did you notice that I called this date night chicken Caesar with pasta, but then I put the chicken on the pasta?
Why did you do that?
I don't know that, because I had to make the heart. I think that was really why the chicken ended up getting moved over here. So I don't know, maybe a little dishonesty in the title, but that's okay. I'm gonna dive in and take a bite, but a quick question for Sean, the camera guy. What do you have planned for Valentine's Day with Haley, Sean?
Chicken Caesar,
date night chicken
pasta.
Caesar with pasta.
Yes.
And you've got an E-Series too.
Absolutely,
so you could pull it off, but you don't have a record player. Sean did not even know how to operate the records before. He had no idea how to do that. All right, let's dive in and just take a little nibble of each. I've made this before, so I know that it's good. Let's go. The chicken is such a winner. The chicken is such a winner with that combination of Tuscan herb and the Parmesan ranch. That is a winner. You can do it in so many different ways. Pasta came out great. I love that 4-cheese pasta sauce. I've been getting that since I was a kid. All right, let's try our Caesar. And the Caesar is gonna be so nice. It's gonna be so fresh. Actually, let's not go near the heart. We don't want to mess the heart up.
You're gonna take apart the heart?
No, we're not gonna take apart the heart. Okay? We'll have to add another tomato in a minute. The Caesar is gonna be so nice because of that fresh cracked pepper, because of the lemon. Those are the magic things that work really well here. Gotta go romaine lettuce. If you're making a Caesar, gotta go romaine. The fresh cracked pepper, the lemon, the tomatoes, the croutons, all comes together really nicely. It's very fresh, it's very bright. My wife loves to have a salad with dinner. That's why I know that this would work really well. And then we've got the chicken and we've got the pasta for some carbs. This comes together, it is a really nice feast for a date night. It does not have to be Valentine's Day. You could certainly also do this at the campground, but it's gonna work great for my date night on Valentine's Day. I hope you try to make this too. Everybody let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite date night dishes to make at home on the Blackstone, on the E-Series, right? The E-Series has been such an amazing winner for us all winter long. I love this thing, it's so wonderful. So thank you for joining us for our date night chicken Caesar with pasta, and we'll see you next week right here at Camp Griddlemore.